Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Moovit Public Transit Tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Moovit is a public transit navigation app designed to help users track buses, trains, metros, and trams in real time. It provides step-by-step directions, accurate arrival times, service alerts, and route suggestions to help commuters plan faster and more reliable trips. It's available on both iOS and Android and supports thousands of cities worldwide, making it useful for daily commuters, students, and travelers. The app's main feature is its real-time transit tracking. It shows when the next bus or train will arrive, the best route to take, and any delays or disruptions along the way. Moovit also offers crowding reports, accessibility details, and turn-by-turn walking directions to and from stations, helping users navigate urban transit smoothly. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate live tracking, clear route planning, and timely service alerts. The app is especially valued for making public transportation easier for new commuters or people exploring unfamiliar cities. Its integration with multiple transportation agencies also allows it to provide broad coverage across regions. However, there are some drawbacks. Real-time data accuracy can vary depending on the city or the transit agency's reporting system. Some users experience delays in live updates or missing route information in less supported areas. In addition, the app requires consistent GPS and internet connectivity, which may limit performance in low-signal locations. In summary, the Moovit app may be worth using if you want a reliable trip planner with real-time tracking, service alerts, and comprehensive transit guidance. However, if your city has limited transit data integration or you prefer offline navigation tools, it might not meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.